Good morning, student. Today we have topic nutrition in human beings. Nutrition in human beings is also hologic type of nutrition, and the mouth part of the human beings is chewing and biting types. The human digestive system consists of alimentary canal and associative glands. The alimentary canals is a long tubular structures having varying diameters runs from mouth to anus. The length of the human digestive system is about 8 to 10 meters, having not uniform diameter from the mouth to the anus. Now, human digestive system is divided into two parts: alimentary canal and associative gland. The alimentary canal is also divided into following parts, that is mouth, oral cavity, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. These are the different parts of the alimentary canal having different functions for the digestion of food. First of all, the food materials is intake through the mouth. This is the part of human digestive system, that is alimentary canal and associative gland. In human beings there are five different types of glands are found. First, salivary gland, second liver, third one is gastric gland which is found in the walls of the stomach, fourth one is pancreas which is found just below the stomach and just above the large intestine, and last one is intestinal gland which are found in the walls of a small intestine. These are the tubular tube-like structure called intestinal glands which secrete intestinal juice. Different steps of digestion in human alimentary canal. Now we come to the next topic, the respiration. The respiration or cellular respiration is oxidation of food material to produce energy and carbon dioxide is called respiration or simply cellular respiration. The energy produced is in the form of ATP. The energy released during the respiration is used to make ATP molecules, adenosine triphosphate, from ADP molecules and inorganic phosphate. Energy is stored in the cell in the form of ATP molecules when the cells need energy. ATP is broken in the presence of water to form ADP and energy is released. That is ATP with water, it forms ADP plus energy. There are mainly two types of respiration: presence of oxygen and absence of oxygen. That two type of respiration is, first one is aerobic respiration, when the oxidation of food materials takes place in presence of oxygen, then it is called aerobic respiration and produce carbon dioxide and water. Anaerobic respiration, when food materials oxidized in absence of oxygen to produce lactic acid in human muscle cells and ethanol in case of yeast cell. First of, first of all, the glucose molecules get degraded in the cytoplasm to produce pyruvic acid, and the degradation of successive degradation of glucose to pyruvic acid is called glycolysis, which takes place in cytoplasm. And then pyruvic acid enters the mitochondria, which oxidize in presence of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water, and in absence of oxygen to produce lactic acid in human muscle cell and ethanol in case of yeast cell. Energy and carbon dioxide also produced. A view of human respiratory system: lungs,